Welcome to the second part of this challenge, that is the digital clock and the countdown timer. So in the previous part, we had just displayed on the console whatever the user has to enter, etc. Now we have not yet added the logic behind both of these, digital clock and the countdown timer. So in this part, we'll be adding the logic behind the digital clock. So let us see the uh, task. So the task is to basically, we have to add the static, we have to get the clock that is basically the time is being displayed once. So here we won't add the complete logic. We'll just add the logic saying the time is displayed once, and then we have to we'll use the logic saying the time is updated every second. All right, so let us see the code. So we have not updated much in this code. This is just the digital clock function is which is being updated. So this is called until it is true, until we exit the program. So here first we take the time in the time t format, and then we have to convert that into user readable format, because we can't understand the time t format. We have to convert that into user readable format. Once you convert it into user readable format, we are storing it as local time. So now we give out the we print saying current time. So we are using cout to print it on the screen saying current time, and then so basically we are using the put time. We are displaying the local time in the form of year, month, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. That's it. So after that we have to update this every second. So we are using that thread so to update, and we are updating it every second. So second is 1. Now after that all the other logics are same. Let me run the program. So now since we focused only on digital clock, I'll be showing only digital clock in this particular output. You can see it is getting printed 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is getting printed until we stop it. Now let me stop it and submit the program. So test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.